Hi, this is Chef Rama, Chef Anita, and we're at WannaBee Chef. So today we're going to teach an Indian pickle.
Yes, and we're a mother-daughter team who love to teach everybody how to eat more plants on a daily basis, okay? So this Indian pickle, Mom, take it away because you make it, and I so love it with roti and a braised vegetable of some sort, usually called bhaji, or I just love it.
It's also a great side salad with Indian food, actually with any food. So what I'm going to do is I'm showing you one that's made with onion and carrot. You can also make this with cauliflower or turnips, but today I'm just using onions and carrots. So all I do to the onion is kind of give them crosswise slits this way. So this way it absorbs all the flavors. Here, Rama, you can go ahead and give it some crosswise slits while I talk about the spices. And this is really very simple. So the spices that I'm using in this are ground up mustard seeds. All I did is take some mustard seeds, like a tablespoon of mustard seeds, and grind it up. Okay, that's why they're like that, a rough grind in the food processor.
And what color mustard seeds?
So these, you could use either one. The ones I had at home were the black ones that are traditionally used in Indian cooking. But if you have the golden yellow ones, go for that. And we're going to use some turmeric powder and some red chili powder and some salt, a little bit of sugar and vinegar. Okay, so let's get started. You can cut up the carrots too, Rama, whichever way you like. Slice it up, and then you can slice up the garlic. As you all know and see here, my daughter is fantastic in chopping. She's way better than me. And when it comes to the chopping, I absolutely use her services. So I'm very glad to have her around with me today.
As a student who went to culinary school, it's all we did for 4 years, so yeah.
So I'm gonna first put in like a half teaspoon of salt in this, okay? I'm gonna it's very simple. Toss everything together. There's the mustard seeds. Here's,
Can I put it in?
Yeah, sure. Here's some sugar, like a half teaspoon of sugar.
Garlic mince?
No, just sliced is good.
Okay.
And 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. And a little chili powder, also 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili powder. And now comes in the vinegar. Just about, I would say, in this much, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That's about 2 tablespoons there. And all you do is toss all this together. And I'm gonna top it off with some hot boiling water. So that gets the onions a little, we don't want like super soft onion, we just want a little soft. And that allows the vegetables to cook up. And now you can just taste that mixture and see if you need any more salt or pepper or anything. And I kept it really simple.
Need a little sugar and a little salt. Yeah. So let's just repeat again. What's in here?
A little sugar and a little salt. Is the vinegar enough, Rama? Okay.
Totally. So salt, sugar, white vinegar, ground up mustard seeds, turmeric,
and red chili powder.
Guys, this took like, I'm just gonna check again, 1.5 minutes to make a beautiful colored, plant-powered quick pickle for you to enjoy with absolutely everything. So you could store this in a mason jar.
Yes.
Nice and pretty, right?
Store it in the mason jar. You can leave it out on your counter for about a day, for like 24 hours. After that, keep it in your refrigerator. And like I said, you can add cauliflower, you can add carrots, cauliflower, turnips, radish, and it really makes a good salad in your refrigerator to eat on the side with the spiciness, the sweetness, and the sour, the tartness. So enjoy this, and please follow us on our YouTube channel at WannaBee Chef.
Right, Plant-Based by WannaBee Chef. You just have to click right here to subscribe, like to the channel, and share it with all your loved ones because sharing is caring. Okay guys, we'll see you soon in the next episode, okay? Bye.
Bye.